Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we had a lecture about pronouns and their different kinds. Here we have got an exercise about the use of different pronouns. The first sentence we have got here is, let you and I go to the river. Let verb gives a sense of suggesting something to others, to other persons. When the verb let is used to suggest something to many persons or a number of persons, we usually don't make use of pronouns for every person. Rather, we make use of us pronoun, which carries the proper sense. The correct sentence is, let us go to the river, rather than to make use of pronouns for each and every person. These books are for you and she. The pronoun you used here after preposition for is in its objective case, and the pronoun used here is in its subjective case. The objective case of the pronoun she would carry proper sense. These books are for you and her. I, you, and he will help the poor. We have used three pronouns in this sentence. If more than two pronouns are used in a sentence, or if three pronouns are used in a sentence, they follow an order. The order is second person, third person, and first person. So the correct sentence is, you, he, and I will help the poor. None of these two have failed. None is used for more than two persons, and neither is used for two persons. However, both follow singular helping verb. Here we have specified the number of persons, two, in this sentence. So neither of these two has failed is the correct sentence. Again, remember that none is used for more than two persons, neither is used for two persons, and both follow singular helping verb. Neither of these two has failed. Either of these boys have told a lie. Either means each of the two. It is used for two persons. Anyone is used for more than two persons. These boys means more than two boys. These boys mean more than two boys. So anyone would carry proper sense. Any one of these boys has told a lie. Remember that either is used for two persons, anyone is used for more than two persons, and both follow singular helping verb. Any one of these boys has told a lie. None remain to tell the story of that distress. Indefinite pronoun none is used as a subject of the sentence. Present indefinite form signifies that the tense of the sentence is present indefinite tense. If none is used as a subject of a sentence, and the sentence is in present indefinite tense, present indefinite form of verb would follow SRES. So the correct sentence is none remains to tell the story of that distress. Seventh sentence is also of the same nature. Everyone that see you love you. The present indefinite form indicates present indefinite tense. SRES is used with present indefinite form of verb in present indefinite tense if everyone pronoun is used as a subject of the sentence. Present indefinite form of verb follows SRES in present indefinite tense if everyone pronoun is used as a subject. You and Ashraf have done their work. You pronoun is the subject of the sentence. The use of this pronoun should correspond to the subject of the sentence. You and Ashraf have done your work. One must not forget his duty. One is used as a subject of the sentence. The use of this pronoun should also correspond to the subject of the sentence used here. So the correct sentence is one must not forget one's duty. The man is my brother who was sitting there. Who is used as a relative pronoun in this sentence? Relative pronoun signifies a noun phrase and it should be placed close to the noun it signifies. The man who was sitting there is my brother is the correct sentence. Four girls were playing with each other. Each other is used for two persons and one another is used for more than two persons. Four girls were playing with one another is the correct sentence. I am yours sincerely. Sincerely is an adverb. So possessive case yours would carry proper sense here. I am yours sincerely. You might be having an experience of using yours sincerely pronoun and adverb while writing applications. Such things which you say are not true. Such follows the conjunction as. Such things as you say are not true. The pronoun such follows the conjunction as. Such things as you say are not true. There is no one but I. The conjunction but follows the objective case of a pronoun. There is no one but me. She is older than me. The conjunction then follows the subjective case of a pronoun. She is older than I. Who do you want? Who gives an interrogative sense and wherever spoken indicates that the person referred to or asked about is not known. However, whom indicates or specifies some person out of many persons or some person out of many persons. Who do you want? Who is already not known. How can one put question this way? Whom do you want means there are certain persons, and whom do you want? Who is the particular person referred to? Dear students, inshallah soon we will come up with our next exercises. If there are any questions, please do ask. Thank you. God bless you. Do read the exercises given in your grammar about these parts of speech and correction of sentences. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.